Hey guys, Stuart here. Welcome back to another Sheetify tutorial. Today's focus is to briefly show you how you can use the updated multi-timeline inside Sheetify Projects. Now, if you're completely new to Sheetify Projects, our all-in-one Google Sheets project management toolkit, then I'll link a full Sheetify Projects tutorial up above and down below in the description for you to check out. This tutorial covers our most recent update. For example, inside Sheetify Projects, if we navigate over to Timeline, this is our single timeline or Gantt chart view. What we can do is navigate up to Project and then select a project, for example, Web Design A, and you can see the project timeline, 301 days, and then the days left. And these are all the project tasks. And you can see important details about each of these different tasks associated to this project. Over on the right hand side, we can see a timeline. For example, for this task, working days, 6 days, which starts on the 20th, and the launch date is on the 27th. Now we can also change the view over to weeks, and you can see the Gantt chart will change to weeks. Now if we navigate down to multi-timeline, this is where we can select up to 3 projects. For example, I'm going to navigate down to Focus Group and join Twins Event and Web Design A. Let's click out of this. And as you can see, we have the 3 projects selected here. We can change the view from days to weeks if we like. Then over here, you can see those 3 projects and the associated color label. Focus group, green, these are the focus group project tasks. And join Twins Event, orange, you can see we have 2 tasks, as well as the number of tasks over here on the right hand side. And then project Web Design A, which has 5 tasks. And you can see those 5 tasks down here. Hey, just quickly before we get back into this tutorial, if you're getting value from this video, please drop a like and subscribe. This means a lot to me and ultimately helps us reach and help more small business owners across YouTube. Thank you in advance, and with that quick note, let's jump back into this video. Again, you can see details about each of these tasks across here, and then we can see the project's timeline in terms of the tasks. Let's take a look at Focus Group. Here we have 6 tasks. You can see this green shade, and these are the tasks and their timeline. You can see the working days over here, as well as on this Gantt chart. Pretty cool, huh? This allows you to compare up to 3 projects and their task timelines. However, that is a brief overview on how you can use our timeline and multi-timeline inside Sheetify Projects. Again, if you want to learn more about any of our Sheetify toolkits, I will add the relevant tutorials and resources down below in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video all the way through to the end. If you got value, make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and that way I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.